When you hear the word Botox, what's the first thing that comes to mind? A frozen face and a plastic look? But is it actually true? Hi everyone, welcome to Star Health Insurance YouTube channel. I'm Dr. Akanksha Prasad, a consultant dermatologist. Let's explore in this video the importance of destigmatizing Botox and highlight its diverse applications and benefits. Botox has become one of the most popular and widely used treatments in the world. However, despite its proven benefits and long history of safe use, the treatment is still attached with a lot of fear. Let's take a minute to understand what it actually is. Botox is a brand name for botulinum toxin, a purified protein derived from bacterium called Clostridium botulinum. This bacterium is well known for causing food poisoning, but when used in controlled and small amounts, it can also have therapeutic effects. When injected, Botox works temporarily by relaxing specific muscles, which reduces the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines. This muscle relaxation occurs because Botox blocks the nerve signals that causes the muscles to contract, leading to smoother appearance in the treated areas. It has been FDA approved for cosmetic use since 2002 and for medical use since 1980, showcasing its long-standing reliability and safety in various applications. As a result, millions of people have turned to Botox not just for beauty enhancement, but also for its potential health benefits, further solidifying its place as a trusted treatment option in modern medicine. Here are some common myths and why they're just myths. Myth number 1. Botox is only for the vain. One of the biggest misconceptions is that it is solely for those people who are obsessed with their appearance. However, many people who seek these treatments are not doing so out of vanity, but also the desire to look refreshed and less tired or to feel more confident. The goal is not to look unnatural or perfect, but to subtly maintain one's appearance over time. Myth 2. Botox results in a frozen or expressionless face. This myth stems from high-profile cases of misuse and overuse of Botox, where celebrities have appeared with overly smooth or tight facial features. But if administered by a skilled and experienced practitioner, the results are subtle and natural. Myth 3. Botox is only for women. Historically, Botox has been more commonly sought by women, which has led to the perception that it is a female treatment. However, in recent years, there has been a growing trend of men seeking Botox to reduce signs of aging and enhance their appearance. Myth number 4. Botox is dangerous or toxic. Some individuals fear that Botox is harmful or dangerous because it contains the term toxin in it. Like any medical procedure, Botox does carry some risks such as minor bruising, swelling, or temporary muscle weakness, but these are generally mild and reversible. Major complications are rare, especially when treatment is performed by an experienced practitioner. Myth number 5. Botox is just cosmetic treatment. That's quite untrue actually. Botox has many medical uses. For example, it can be used to cure chronic headaches and migraines, excessive sweating of palms and armpits, muscular spasm, and overactive bladder. Destigmatizing Botox ultimately comes down to changing how we view our personal choices around self-care, beauty, and medical management. In this modern world, people should feel empowered to make decisions about their bodies without fear or judgment. Whether it's using Botox for aesthetic purposes or for medical conditions, understanding the facts and embracing these choices can lead to greater self-confidence and well-being. Thank you for joining me in this discussion. I hope this video has helped you see Botox in a new light and encouraged you to embrace your personal choices regarding beauty and self-care. If you found this information helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Star Health Insurance YouTube channel for more insights into dermatology and aesthetics.